Welcome to a quick tour of Video Annotator. In this demo, we'll walk through the Video Annotator interface, highlighting the most important features and show you how annotations can be added or edited. We will cover its limitations at the end. Let's take a closer look at how it works. The very first thing you will want to do is to select a movie to work on. You can select a movie from the drop-down menu near the top of the interface. Optionally, you can also type here to quickly filter the list of videos to choose from. When you select the video, a safety mechanism will prevent unintended edits and essentially open it in read-only mode. Before you can add or edit annotations, you must disengage the safety by clicking the checkbox. Let's do that now. Let's remove the existing annotations. Now let's add our first annotation. We can do that using the Add button on the sidebar to the right. As we add annotations, all the annotations will appear in the sidebar area below the Add button. This has added a new annotation. By default, the type of new annotations are set to unknown. We will change that later. Let's use the annotation we added to mark some people in the video. For that, we will drag and resize the annotation region with the mouse. And we can set the type to one of those available in the drop-down menu corresponding to this annotation. The types will vary by project and are configured in the server. Let's mark the end of the annotation when the two people begin to fall outside the region. For precise time adjustments, we can use the Precision Seek buttons to move through the video by short amounts of time. This looks good. Let's set the end of the annotation region at this time. We can do that by clicking the end time corresponding to the annotation. Let's play the video to see it in action. Good. You will also notice that thumbnails show up while you hover on the video seek bar. This makes it easier to seek the video by visuals. Let's see that once more. Let's add one more annotation. This time for the sunset. If you need to adjust the placement of the annotation precisely, you can use the keyboard shortcuts. For your convenience, the available shortcuts will be displayed contextually whenever you select an annotation. We will now use the up arrow key to move the annotation. To seek the time to any specific annotation, you can click on its number on the sidebar when the annotation is not visible. Let's see that once more. This tool is designed for efficient manual labeling with a focus on simplicity and reliability. It supports rectangular, mostly static, lattice-aligned ROIs or regions of interest. If you need more advanced annotations, like segmentation or moving regions, other tools may be more suitable. However, feel free to submit a feature request or contribute. The source code and further documentation are available on Github, where you'll find more details on setup and customization. A lot of attention has been given to making the user interface simple, intuitive, and convenient. In this slide, we see a few of the quality of life features that are available. That concludes this demo. Thank you for watching.